Alright, so this is your fusing unit right now. It is on cool down. The only maintenance on this one is you're going to always want to keep it around 10. Now 10 determines the speed of the belt. 10 to 12 is probably where the range you'll always stay in. But when you're increasing or decreasing speed, you have to do it very slowly. If you were to just move it quickly over to a faster speed or vice versa, go to a slower speed, what that does is it causes the belt to move rapidly, and it may just veer off to one end, tripping the safety measures that are within the machine, and it will just halt the machine. It's fine if the machine is cold, then we don't have to worry about the belt warping or melting and sticking together. But it's only an issue if the machine was hot and it veers off. That means that you need to address it. You need to address it right here. These are the micro switch safety sensors and the kill switches. So if it veers off too much to either the right or the left, this will emergency shut down the machine to save the belt. Okay. Now, if it veers off too much and this is tilted over, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to try to push it as straight as you can vertically. Hold the start button and start running the machine again. Now you're not holding this and forcing the belt because it'll crease. You have to do it slowly, forcing the belt to move back in the direction opposite of whichever side tripped the emergency shut off. Another important thing on this one is the cool down. The number on top shows the current temperature of the machine. The number on the bottom is the preset temperature that we want the machine to either go up to or cool down to. And in order to change that, right now, since we turned the unit on and if we were to start the day, you push the mode button once. Using the up button, we're going to increase the preset temperature. Mind you, this is in Celsius, so we'll probably only go about to 180 on operating. For the sake of the video, we'll just go to, we're going 180. And then you have to push the mode again, and then you'll see that this is operating home screen, where it shows the current temperature and the temperature that it's going to climb to. Now at the end of the day, for shutting it down, it is very important that you just don't shut the machine off, because then the belt will stop moving and it'll fuse together and it'll cause warping issues and some other internal issues. So what we'll do is we'll push the mode button again, and you can see how the display changes by getting rid of the current temperature. We'll drop this down. I did go to about 20, 22, 20 to 25, somewhere in there. You push mode, and you can see how now it's the preset is 25 Celsius. At this point, you hit the timer switch up and on. The display shuts off, but the machine will continue to run until it hits the preset of the lower temperature, and then it'll shut off after it cools down. Okay. We also have ordered in a liquid cleaner for the belt. I don't have it here yet, but once you get it, you'll get a rag. You'll put some of the liquid onto the rag, and basically all you're doing is you're just moving it from a left to right motion like this. And what it'll do is it'll help prolong the life of the belt and get rid of some of the extra glue from the fusing that may have been left over. Now we would do this both for top and bottom. So this is the bottom belt, and since you can't see the top from this end, we would do the same. Just grab it and just carefully move it left to right without getting the material stuck in here, because it feeds from this way. Okay, so you're just going to want to back and forth with the cleaner, and then that'll prolong the life of the belt and keep the belt clean, as well as the shape of it as well. And that's it.